Hey you guys, welcome back. So I just finished recording my BoxyCharm video, and I said that I have some other products that I wanted to share with you guys. So I am back to show you some stuff. There's an airplane. So I am back to share with you some products that I ordered something, and then something came in the mail that my sister ordered for me, and I'm still surprised, like, girl. But we'll get into that. So my sister knows that I love food products. Like, I mean, I'm a sucker for like foodie stickers and like just all kinds of stuff that has like the food print on it or whatever. So my sister texted me and she said, "Did you already get your order?" And I said, "What are you talking about?" And so I said, "You sent me something?" And she says, "Yeah, I ordered something and it's gonna come to you." So it came, and I am super surprised. And the funny thing is that I was looking at these when they first launched, and I decided not to get them, not because I didn't want to get them, but I was like, do I really need them? And I thought that I was just, I think that I was wanting them for the packaging, and I had never had a product from Glamlite at all. But I'm so happy she sent them to me. She knows me so well. She not only sent me the Glamlite burger palette, which we will open. I have not even looked at these. And she also sent me this one. And it is the Glamlite Viva Taco palette. They also have a pizza one, but even when I was on the website looking at the pizza one, I was like, okay, the packaging is cute, but when I looked at the colors, I just wasn't really feeling the colors. These two were the ones I wanted, and she sent them. I also have a small purchase that I purchased from Colourpop, and I'll share that with you. I was going to wait to do this video because I actually ordered, what did I get? I ordered from Juvia's Place the foundation that everybody is talking about, and so of course I wanted to try it out. I was a little scared because you know, normally when I try out foundation, I want to go into the store and get it. That way if I don't like it, I can return it, because I have a hard time finding the right color for my skin tone, to me. Like, and so I did order one, and it is taking an extremely long time to come. I'm sure that they have an overwhelming amount of orders because everybody wants the foundation. But I was gonna wait and do this video, but I figured I have some free time right now, so I'm gonna just show you guys my Colourpop stuff and the stuff my sister sent me. Okay, so starting with the Glamlite burger, it did come with this in the box, and it was a cute little postcard thingy that has a burger and some fries and a milkshake on it. And it says the world's most delicious burger collection has arrived. Yada yada yada. You can use a code to get some percentage off your next order, and then it tells you a little bit more on the back. So I did sneak and I did look at this part, but then I closed the box. I was like, no, I need to do this on camera. So it looks like that, and I thought that was so cute. The burger palette actually comes in, like, you know how when you go to a burger joint and you get your burger and it comes in the paper. So let's get this open. Oh, this is so cute. Look at that. So, oh, it looks like this. And I love makeup. I know I don't do too many makeup videos or like the get ready with me, because we talked about that before. I have done them, but I don't know. I just don't, but I love makeup. I love trying makeup. I love planning makeup. Ooh, so this whole front part right here is a mirror right there. So you have that whole mirror on that front part. It's not that big, but it's round like that. And so let's see, and this packaging is super cushiony and soft. I like that. The plastic is still on it. Let me take that off. And this is what the actual palette looks like. Look at those colors. I love those greens right there. Oh my goodness. And then look at that one up there. Does it have names? It has the names on it. This is so cute. So these are the colors. And I want to see how let's see, which color should we pick just to test how pigmented this is. Pickles, Thousand Island, Bacon. Let's go with Bacon. I love Bacon. So Bacon is this one right here. Oh my gosh, those are so creamy. Look at that. That was just from a little bit. Okay, now we need to try something else. Avocado or cheddar. Let's try cheddar because it's this gold over here. Oh gosh, that is so, oh, look at that. Look at that. And I'm not even pressing hard at all. Like, I'm barely just rubbing it. Okay, we gotta try, let's do this green. Let's do Pickles because that one is a shimmer shade. Oh, that is so pretty. Is that coming up good? I hope it's not blurry. It looks like that. Hold on, let me show you better. Look at those colors. Oh my goodness. And they are so pigmented. And that was just with a minimal swatch. Oh, these are so pretty. Oh my goodness. And I am a sucker for packaging. And that just looks like a giant burger. I love that. So the colors you get is pickles, mustard, bacon, sweet potato fries, tomatoes, Thousand Island, caramelized onions, cheddar, blue cheese. I gotta try blue cheese. Let me use my pinky. Oh, that is so pretty. And it has like this, like, it looks like a mermaid color because it has like this green underneath it and like purples. Oh gosh, that is so pretty. So blue cheese, avocado, red onions, and onion rings, lettuce, spinach, ketchup, and barbecue sauce. You guys, who thought of this stuff? Who and why? But all I know is that it is super cute. It says to get featured, use hashtag Glamlite. So if I do a look with it, post it on Instagram, I can hashtag it. And it says they'll feature it. And it says, warning, do not eat. This is super cute. And like I said, it is kind of squishy. Not squishy like a squishy, but it does have that kind of, let me wipe my fingers, but it has that kind of, you know, push feeling to it. So let me wipe my fingers and we'll get into the taco palette. Okay, so with the Viva Taco palette, you got this little card right here, and it has some churros on it, a taco, a margarita, and it gives you a code as well with some information on the back. This box is super cute. I love the colors. It's so vibrant. It does show you on the back what you get on the inside with the colors. It has the names on the back. Hopefully they're on the palette just like the burger. Oh. That's so cute. Look at that. So on the inside you have this. Why do I feel like I'm at El Pollo Loco or something like that? So you have all of this up here, and it says what's your favorite topping, and it shows you all those pictures of toppings. And here's the palette. It's still in the plastic. I had never opened it, so let's get this open. I'm gonna have to get my sister back for this. That's what we do. We do that to each other. We ping pong off each other with stuff like this. So look at that. There it is. Let's see. Okay, so it doesn't open this way. You do open it down like that. And it also is a mirror right here. So you do have your mirror right there at the bottom and the colors up here. So let's look at this. Oh, that is so cute. I'm trying to look at it and show you guys. So this is the colors right here. Super cute. Look at that. And so let me tell you the names, and then I'll figure out which one I want to swatch real quick. So you have onions, this like white color or creamy pearly kind of color. Mexican cheese, radishes, ooh, that purple, radishes, pollo, guacamole, cilantro, lime. Look at those greens, those are pretty. Carnitas, pico de gallo. I know y'all like, stop it girl, stop it. I'm trying. Salsa roja, You like how I wrote that R? Salsa roja, red cabbage, pickled carrot. Pickled carrots are so good. Oh my goodness. Every time I go to my local taco shop, they add those. When I order my roll tacos, they put a side of the pickled carrots. So good. I don't know how to say. Is it al pastor? Al pastor. ALPASTOR. Al pastor. Salsa verde and carne asada. And that's brown right here. So the salsa verde is the only color to me that looks a little funky. This one right here, right there. And so let's see which one. Let's swatch this pretty orange, which is pico de gallo. Oh gosh, that is so creamy. That is so pretty. Let's see, can you see that? Oh my goodness. Oh gosh, that's pretty. And then let's try, of course, my purple, this radish. Oh, I want to put some more on that one. That one looks like that. That purple. And let's do pickled carrots because it's really vibrant over here. This orange, red color. These are so soft. Look at that. And that one is the pickled carrots. Oh gosh. So let me see. I forgot to tell you with the burger palette. It looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 shimmer shades. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 matte shades in here. This is super cute. This is super cute. I cannot wait to use this. I am an amateur with makeup. I love to play in it. I love to put it on. So yeah, these two colors will go so pretty together. Look at that. This orange, those two kind of oranges. Oh gosh, one was shimmer and one was matte, so those will be nice. Okay, so I just wanted to share these with you. I gotta call my sister as soon as I'm done filming, but let me show you what I got from Colourpop. So the two things that I wanted from Colourpop, which is this right here, and then I ended up ordering a palette as well. These are Fourth Ray Beauty, and this one is Cloud Bank Milky Cleanser. I wanted to try that. And then this one is Good Mood Gel Moisturizer, and I've never had a gel moisturizer. My moisturizers are usually like cream, like a lotion, and so I wanted to try these. Let me get the gel moisturizer open and let's take a look at that. So the container looks like this. Cute little pink container. Apply to skin using upward strokes. Use as often as your skin needs. Okay, it does come with a little lid thingy, the cover. Okay, and it looks like that. And it is, ooh, I don't really like the smell of that. It's not strong. I don't know what that smells like. I don't know. What is that? I don't know. I cannot put my finger on it. I wanted to say it kind of smelled like a very light pink lemonade, but then there's something else in there that I don't like. I don't know. I don't know what that is. I'm not sure what that smell is. It's not a smell that I'm like, okay, well, I can't use this. I'm not going to use this. I'm going to still try it and see. Maybe it's just more overpowering because it's in the container. But hopefully that's the case. It was a light fragrance, but it's just something that I don't know, maybe my nose is sensitive and certain things I just can't deal with. So yeah, I wanted to go ahead and give the gel moisturizer a try. And then I also got this, which was the Milky Cleanser, and it says mild cleanser. It has rose water, alpine rose, argan milk, and jojoba proteins. So let me see. Massage onto wet skin using circular motions. Rinse thoroughly with warm water. So this is what this looks like. It's a plastic bottle. It has the pump top. It is white, and if you can see through if you had this in your hand, you can kind of see through here that it is milky white. So I'm not gonna pump it in my hand right now. It is 5.8 fluid ounces, and I was interested to give this a try. I will smell it though. Let's see. Okay, this doesn't smell like anything. This just smells like a cleanser. So it's really light, and that one, that's cool. I'm not gonna have a problem with that scent. But I did get these two because I wanted to try them out. I don't even think I've seen any reviews on it or anything. I was just looking on their website and I was like, oh, a milky cleanser. Let me try that. So that is why I ordered these two. Now let me show you the palette. Now, before I knew my sister was sending me 2 palettes, I probably wouldn't have ordered this one just because I already have enough makeup. I already have too many eyeshadow palettes. But I saw this. I love the Colourpop formula, and I thought this one was so adorable. It's called Main Squeeze. They do have the colors on the back right here, which I will tell you. And it looks like a watermelon theme. It has watermelon seeds. It has the green stripes on it. And when I seen it, I was like, oh, that is so cute. And I think this was only $12. So that is what the packaging looks like. And let's see. This whole side is a mirror. And okay, I'm happy that they put the colors next to the shadows itself. So focus, there you go. And that just looks like that. Some really pretty like coral colors, pinks, kind of, you know, kind of like watermelon shades. So you have frosé, like rosé. You have juicy fruit, home slice, like it's hot, maraschino, big gulp, seed money, Baywatch, and red bottoms. So I thought that was super cute. Like I said, here I'll swatch one. Theirs is very pigmented as well. Let me put that down. Looks like that. So I love their formula. This is not my first Colourpop palette. I had to get this one just because I thought it was cute for the summer, watermelon theme. So I ordered that. So that is it for this makeup haul with the Glamlite and the Colourpop. Like I said, I'm waiting patiently for my Juvia's Place foundation to come. I cannot wait to get my hands on that to try that out. What color did I get? Oh gosh. What did I get? I can't remember right now. They had so many colors to choose from. But yeah, so when I get that, I will try that out. And I think I ordered a palette from them as well. I think I got the green palette from them. Because I was going to get the Huda green palette, but then I went ahead and got the one from Juvia's Place. So that's it for this makeup haul. Any of this I will link down below in case you guys want to check it out, and that will be it. So let me know, did you like those palettes? What do you think about those palettes? Like, these companies are just, a lot of times I say that the companies do a lot for the packaging, and that's kind of what draws us in, is the super cute packaging. But what I will say, and this is my first time ever having Glamlite, is their formula is amazing. I haven't even used it yet, and I love it. It's really creamy. It's just super nice, super pigmented and everything. So I keep almost ending the video and then I keep talking. So let me wrap this up. Thank you for watching, and I'll put the information down below, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.